Hey girls and boys. So I'm gonna teach you how to play a new game called Four in a Row. But what I need you to do first is get these number cards page from your math packet, okay? And then I want you to cut them up all along the dotted lines. So then you'll have 12 cards. Once you have that done, come on back, okay? See you in a minute. All right, so you should now have 12 cards, right? You can mix them all up. Okay, you can maybe put them all the right way. So make a pile, okay? Make a pile of all your cards. All right, we're going to use these to play this game called One More Four in a Row plus one. So just like the other games, you want to put it into your, see if I can do this. Oh, there we go. Okay, into your dry erase sleeve, okay? Now there's another one called One Less Four in a Row, and that can go on the other side, or you can just, when you're done with plus one, you can just put it on top. But I like to do them back to back. That way I don't have to keep taking them in and out. So the way this works is pretty simple, similar to the one that we played before. Is you take a card, I'm going to shuffle them, right? Mix them up. And then I'm just going to turn one over. And I got 7. Okay? So I'm going to write down 7 as soon as I find my dry erase marker. I'm going to write down 7 down here. And then I have to add one more because this is always adding 1. So 7 plus 1, I know, is 8. If you're not sure, you could go back to that number path that's on your other game board and use that. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay? So now I want to put one of my cubes on a number 8. Like that. Okay? So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put this back. And I'm going to shuffle. And then I'm going to turn one over. This time I got a 10. Whoa. 10. So 10 plus 1 equals what? What comes right after 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. So that's a new one for us, 11. So I'm going to put a cube on 11. Now what I'm trying to do, oh, here's an 11, is get 4 cubes in a row. When I get 4 in a row, that means I've won the game. Okay? So I want to try and get a 12 and a 4, but, you know, who knows what I'm going to end up getting. So I'll do one more to show you. So I'm going to turn this card over, and this time I took a 5. Okay, so I got a 5. So I'm going to write, whoop, just dropped my marker, sorry about that. I'm going to write down 5 plus 1 is what comes right after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Oops, sorry if you can't see that. It's stuck on the paper. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So I'm going to put this cube here, because I could also go, look, eventually I might be able to go 5, what is that, 8, 6, 2. I can go diagonally, I can go sideways, or I can go up and down. I have to get 4 in a row, though. It's like that game Connect 4. Have you ever played that? All right, I'll do one more just to show you. Okay, this time I'm going to turn over. I'm going to shuffle them up. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. I'm going to turn over a 6. All right. So what is 6 more? Sorry, what is 1 more than 6? So 6 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could do it with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'm going to write down 7. Now there's no 7s over there. I've got a 7 here though. So maybe I could connect those. Okay? Alright, so you want to keep drawing the cards and adding 1 and trying to connect 4. Okay? And then when you connect 4, you've won the game. Alright, I'll show you how to play the subtraction one in the next video. Alright, great job. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.